Hi, have you recently lost your job or closed your business? Would you rather just start something on your own but you are not sure where to turn? There are so many scams online you do not want to even look at the junk. Well, I have been looking for years to find an online business as well. I found there is practically nothing online I could do that would make me feel like I was helping others or in an honest business. Do you want something you own and control? Is your problem you want to find a way to learn just what you need to know to build a business you can be proud of and show off to your friends? Recently I started this course online that teaches you to build your own business. What caught me is the course has a short opt-out option so I could look at and get a refund if it looked bad at all. Then I read it has a huge success record. This is the boast: the program has led over 3,215 people to quit their jobs. 451 of them are now making six figures. 25 of them are now millionaires. This program is new, under 8 years old. So far, I have met doctors, lawyers, realtors, and every sort of people in this course. This course has a cost. It is not cheap junk, but if you are interested I can get a few people in. The way I do this is by submitting your name and email to the owner. I do not collect or use your email in any way. After that I will delete it. If you want to discuss this further you can contact me on Messenger. I will leave a link with this video.